Hey Nick, how you doing, brother?
Good evening, Jazz. How you doing?
Very good, man. Thanks for having me here.
My pleasure. Welcome to the Edrington offices in New York City.
Awesome, yeah.
Should I take you around for a little tour?
Please, yes, absolutely.
Follow me. So as you can see, as soon as you walk in, you're in our bar area. This is where we welcome guests, but also where we throw our little parties every now and then. Always very responsibly, obviously. And you can see on full display we have the complete portfolio from Edrington.
Fantastic. A lot of great brands.
Absolutely.
One of the best tequilas I've had. Partita, if you guys don't know, it's from Macallan people. Edrington.
See our sister distillery, Highland Park, our superstar in the Macallan, some of our heritage brands like Cuddy Sark and Famous Grouse, Glen Rothes, maybe lesser known single malt, but definitely worth finding out if you like those kind of craft type of brands. We have Brugal, which is our superstar from the Dominican Republic, fantastic rums. And some of our innovation brands, you might have heard about them. Noble Oak Bourbon, Double Oak Bourbon, Relativity American Whiskey, and Snow Leopard Vodka.
I didn't realize Relativity was yours. That's cool.
Absolutely. Here, let's have a better look at the space itself. So we're located right in the heart of Midtown, and we have this beautiful 150 people capacity venue where we can have a little drink after work, but also have some of our special guests come in and enjoy those drinks with us. But follow me, let's see the rest of the offices. Any good office is going to have a pool table with just a little bit of competition going on in between peers. One of two kitchens. Now, I don't know if you noticed on your way in, but the address is pretty spectacular. It's actually 18 West 24th Street. Macallan being founded back in 1824. So just like when we craft our whiskey, it's all about the little details here.
Very cool.
Now, as you walk in, you have our corporate offices over here, our product library. This is where we keep all those live bottles that we can pull for events, but also enjoy when we have special guests over. So enjoy a little private grab. We have the live wall over here. We even kept some of the original accents.
You got some lucky workers over here with some great products.
Working for Edrington definitely comes with some of its perks, right?
Absolutely.
We even kept some of the original accents from the building. You see the sliding door over there that was actually here.
That's cool. Very nice.
Now, each of our meeting rooms is actually themed on one of the brands that you saw displayed in the bar area. We have Partita over here, Brugal over there. You know, sometimes
Come on, Nick, let's see it. Let's see a punch.
Right?
Come on.
Oh.
Very nice.
Nice hardwood floor throughout. Kind of feel like a real estate agent right now.
Yeah.
Little heritage pieces from some of our past partnerships.
For those of you watching this video, it was taken around 7:45 p.m. on a Thursday night, so that's why you see it with less people here.
Some hard-working people.
But they're working.
Now this one is always kind of a showstopper. This is our main boardroom called the Macallan room. You can walk in. Now here we display some of our trophies. You have some of the beautiful Lalique decanters, partnerships that we made with the master cristallier in France. Yeah, the infamous Macallan M over here. Macallan 55 years old from the past Six Pillars collection. And my personal favorite, the Macallan number 6.
There's a stiller one.
Yeah, those are all little pieces of art right there. But also, the beautiful fine and rare wall. Now for those of you who know about this, these are very special whiskeys, all extracted from the very best cask from those vintage years. Some of the most limited whiskeys that we have, typically aged for over 25 years. A few of them are going to be somewhere around 21, 22 years. Bottle at cask strength, non-chill filtered, all natural color. You can see that gradient of color as you go through. And finishing up with more offices, one more kitchen. Nice spend most of my time. Nah, just kidding. Very comfortable office, fantastic place to work. I always like to kid that if Google made whiskey, this is the type of office they would have. So there you have it. The tour of the Edrington offices in New York.
Very cool. You got some video game systems too.
Yeah, we're fully equipped here for a nice happy hour.
Very cool. Thanks so much, Nick.
My pleasure.
Much
How about some
appreciated.
drams now?
Let's do it.
All
Let's
right,
do it.